Good morning everyone. So today we are here to discuss chapter number 19 of your GK book of class 8. Okay. So chapter 19 is all about plantation. So what is a plantation? Plantation is a large farm, especially in a hot part of the world, on which a particular type of crop is grown. For an example, cotton plantation, मतलब कि बस उस particular land पे बस cotton की होगी कॉटन के प्लांट्स होंगे. देन अगेन टी प्लांटेशन, टबैको प्लांटेशन, ट्री प्लांटेशन. ओके, मीन प्लांटेशन इज व्हाट? प्लांटेशन इज अ लार्ज फार्म जहाँ पे बस एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ प्लांट लगाए जाते हैं या फिर क्रॉप लगाए जाते हैं. क्लियर? सो दैट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्लांटेशन. So in this again we have plantations are usually dash. It means that the same species of trees are planted in rows across a given area. So the answer will be monocultures. Okay, plantations may include dash varieties of trees such as hybrid trees and genetically modified trees. So the answer will be unconventional. Come to question number 4. Plantations are planted by state forestry authorities such as the Forestry Commission in dash. Forestry Commission in, yes, what will be the answer? Forestry Commission in children? Yes, in Britain. Okay, come to question number 5. In Southeast Asia, dash and dash plantations have replaced most of the forest. So plantation of rubber and teak plantations. Clear? Come to question number 9. Arable crops include tobacco, sugarcane, cotton and pineapple, especially in historical usage. Before the rise of cotton in South America, dash and dash were also sometimes called plantation crops. So the answer will be rice. Okay, answer will be rice and indigo. इंडिगो किसको बोलते हैं? नील की खेती, पहले नील की खेती होती है ना, तो नील को हम इंडिगो बोलते हैं. ओके, कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. डैश आर एक्टिवली मैनेज्ड फॉर द कमर्शियल प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. कमर्शियल मतलब फॉर द सेल, फॉर सेल पर्पस. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ विच क्वेश्चन वाज इट? इट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. So answer of question number 11 will be industrial plantations. Clear? Come to question number 13. The replacement of natural forest with tree plantations has caused what? Has caused social problems. Okay. Then come to question number 14. Farm or house plantations are typically established for the production of dash and dash for home and commercial use. For the production of lumber and firewood for home and commercial use. Okay, then come to the last question. Yes, come to the last question. Last question is question number 16. In the Kyoto Protocol, there are proposals to encourage the use of plantation to reduce dash levels. So reduce what? Carbon dioxide levels. Okay, so this was all about chapter number 19. Fill all the answers and learn it properly. Clear? Now come to the next chapter. That is, next chapter is your chapter number 22. Chapter number 22 is all about forest, types of forest. Okay, the type of forest in the region mainly depends on the location and distance from the equator. Altitude means height and climate. जैसी climate होती है उस टाइप के फॉरेस्ट होंगे. Okay, given below is information on some tree types of forest. So there are types of forest: montane forest, coniferous forest, moist deciduous forest, dry deciduous forest, littoral and swamp forest, wet evergreen forest, Mediterranean forest, semi-evergreen forest, tropical rain forest and temperate forest. Clear? So let's see. Come to question number 1. These forests are found near the equator. Okay, so near the equator, and high temperature and abundant rainfall throughout the year make them dense and lush. They are vital storehouses of biodiversity. What is the answer? The answer is tropical rainforest. Okay. Question number 4. These forests are found in the cold, windy regions around the poles. These consist of both hardwoods and conifers. The hardwoods are deciduous, whereas the conifers are evergreen and structurally adapted to withstand the long drought-like conditions. So, what is the answer of this particular question? The answer is coniferous forest. Okay. Come to question number 8. These forests are found throughout India except in the western and the northwestern regions. Question number 8. Okay. These forests have tall trees but with broad and branching trunks. These forests consist of sal, teak, mango, rosewood, bamboo, etc. So, answer of this question is moist deciduous forest. The last question. These forests are found throughout the northern part of India except in the northeast. They are also found in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, etc. Sal and bamboo are found abundantly in these forests. So, what type of forest is it? It is dry deciduous forest. Clear? Now, let's move to the next chapter. The next chapter is all about, next chapter is chapter number 32. So, after 22, we are moving to 32. Clear? 32 is all about human blood and the heart. Okay, human blood consists approximately 4 to 6 liters of blood. It is pumped continuously to all the body parts by the heart. What is the function of heart, children? The function of heart is to pump blood to all the body parts. Okay, and the blood is carried away from heart through arteries. Pure blood is carried from heart through arteries, and then it is transported to all the body parts through capillaries. Again, the impure blood is collected through capillaries and it's sent to veins. Vein is again a blood vessel which carries the impure blood back to the heart, and the heart again purifies the blood. Okay, so this is what is it? The circulation. This is a kind of cycle, or you can say circulation of blood. How blood is circulated from heart to body. Okay, so it is pumped continuously to all the body parts by the heart. Given below are some questions on the blood and heart. Read and answer them with the help of the given clues. What is the liquid part of blood called? So, the liquid part of blood is called plasma. Okay. Question number 2. What is the color of plasma? The color of plasma is yellowish. Name the blood cells found in blood. So, what are the blood cells found in blood? There are 3 types of blood cells. Okay, RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC red blood cells, then WBC white blood cell and platelets. Clear? Name the blood cells that help blood to clot when one is wounded. हमें जब चोट लगती है तो आप देखते हो थोड़ी टाइम तक ब्लड फ्लो होता है और फिर उसके बाद वो ब्लड सूखने लगता है इन अदर सेंस वो क्लॉट होने लगती है ब्लड. ओके, आवर बॉडी स्टार्ट्स हीलिंग. सो विच ब्लड सेल हेल्प्स द ब्लड टू क्लॉट? आंसर विल बी प्लेटलेट्स. ओके, which blood cells fight harmful germs when they enter the body? कौन सी ब्लड सेल है हमारी बॉडी में जो सोल्जर का काम करती है हमारी बॉडी में, जो जर्म्स से फाइट करती है हमारी बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए? द आंसर इज WBC, दैट इज वाइट ब्लड सेल्स. विच ब्लड सेल्स हैव हीमोग्लोबिन? कौन सी ब्लड सेल है जो हमारी ब्लड को रेड कलर प्रोवाइड करती है? दैट इज RBC. हीमोग्लोबिन इज द रेड पिगमेंट दैट प्रोवाइड्स रेड कलर टू द ब्लड. और हीमोग्लोबिन कहाँ पाया जाता है? RBC में. ओके, रेड ब्लड सेल. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डज आवर हार्ट बीट इन अ डे? हमारी जो हार्ट जो है कितने टाइम्स बीट होती है? 1 लाख टाइम्स. क्लियर? व्हाट कॉजेज आवर हार्ट टू बीट? इलेक्ट्रिक इम्पल्सेस. ओके, come to the next question. Question number 11. What does RH stand for? RH stands for rhesus factor. Clear? It stands for what? It stands for rhesus. Now, which people have RH factor in their blood? कौन से ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनकी RH फैक्टर होती है ब्लड में? सो जिन लोगों यू कैन से जिनके पास जो पॉजिटिव ब्लड ग्रुप के होते हैं ना, ओके, तो उनके ब्लड में क्या होता है? RH फैक्टर होता है. क्लियर? उनके ब्लड सेल्स जो हैं दे कंटेन RH फैक्टर. Which are the tiniest blood vessels of all? Tiniest blood vessels? Capillaries. Clear? Now come to the next question. Question number 17. Name the place that blood is tested. Blood is tested in laboratory. We all know. Then come to question number 18. Which scientist discovered that the heart pumps blood into the whole body through the arteries? अभी मैंने आपको बतलाया. I told you right now that the pure blood, okay, is carried through arteries from heart, then it is carried to capillaries, and from capillaries it is transported to all the parts of the body, okay, and then the impure blood is again brought by the capillaries from all the parts of body to veins, and veins carry the impure blood to heart for the purification of blood. Okay, so this is a circulation. This is how blood is circulated, and it is called as blood circulation in heart. You will study, you will read this in class 8, or you might have read, or if you have not read, then you will be reading in class 10. Okay, then come to the next question. Which side, question number 20, which side of the heart is smaller and weaker? सबसे छोटा किधर छोटा होता है हमारा हार्ट और वीकर कमज़ोर होता है? तो द आंसर इज राइट साइड. ओके, then come to question number 23. How many times does the heart of a healthy human being beat in a minute? एक मिनट में कितने टाइम्स बीट होता है? Around 72 times. Just try it. Okay, try these facts related to your heart. Okay, just see that your heart beats 72 times in a minute or not. Okay, I hope it beats. Clear? So write the answers in the blank provided of each question and learn it by heart, children. Prepare yourself properly for your finals. Clear? So that's all for today. Thank you, children.